work has been very, very strongly, the train has been well on the tracks. So you need to find the smiles within you, and you need to spread that smile beyond you. And it's the most amazing experience in life. And I have just had it today. Thanks to all of you, and thank you. I'm so glad I already personally took the step, and I will be making many such more. But to spread this happiness and this joy that we are experiencing, and this is a room full of joy, I think it's, I'll always turn to members of the media to help me spread this word, help me spread the word and the work of Smile Train to far and wide, within our country and beyond. But the work has been very, very strongly, the train has been well on the tracks beyond our borders. But within our country, it too with a lot more reached. Smile Train की जो आवाज़ है, वो बहुत दूर तक हमें पहुंचानी है, और हमें ये काम जारी रखना है, और ये आप ही की मदद के साथ हम कर सकते हैं. और ये सर्जरी बहुत ही सिंपल है. I mean, I'm not getting technical here, but what I'm trying to say is it can be done. With full respect, dear doctors, what I'm saying is, this is what I have been told by Smile Train, is that it is a possibility. And it's important to take that doubt and that possible anxiety and fear away from our people. They have to know that it's simple in the sense that it is an easy possibility if they're willing to explore it and reach out. And that is important for that to be done. And you all have strengthened my conviction. If we could do 100 surgeries on such short notice, and this is just my request, let alone what all you must be already overwhelmed with in your commitments. It is possible. So thank you, and thank you all for coming and getting these surgeries done. There are some of you who still have to get the surgeries done. God bless you. It will be done. It will be successful, and you have to know out there in the world, and this I'm speaking to people through the electronic media, that when we say it's corrective smiles, it's not about just the physical look of it. It's about actually embracing what we all know as normality in our lives. In eating your food, in drinking your water, in swallowing your saliva, in speech. There are so many areas of life which we take for granted. It's just so normal to us, our breathing. But with a cleft lip, it can come in the way. It can make your normal functions very, very difficult. Hence, this surgery is a must. There are hands, there are organizations, there are people out here ready to help, willing to help. So please reach out and hold the hand, willing to take you to a world full of smiles and a life full of smiles. God bless, and we love you. Thank you.
So much, Aishwarya, for those very, very compassionate and touching words. And once again, Smile Train and Godrej Memorial Hospital are very thankful to the Aishwarya Rai Foundation and Mr. Rai personally for supporting the cause of clefts. Aishwarya, as our goodwill ambassador, takes the message that every child can lead a normal life, even if you're born with a cleft, doesn't really matter. You